Now we are moving into the next step. First you have seen homogeneous equation. Now we are moving into non-homogeneous equation. So non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. So the definition goes like, if all the partial derivatives of the same order, it is homogeneous. If not, it is a non-homogeneous linear equation. For example, you will get this is a second order PDE, right? But there is second order, first order, everything is there. So this is non-homogeneous. So the complete solution will be the same, complementary function plus particular integral. Particular integral, there is no changes. We have seen 4 types. That 4 types alone will come. The same how you will solve for homogeneous, solve it like that for the non-homogeneous. The only thing that would be changing will be complementary function. So what you have to do is consider the non-homogeneous particular differential equation. F of d comma d dash z is equal to f of x comma y. So the complementary function will be equal to 0. What complementary function? F of d comma d dash will be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then what I'll do is d minus a d dash of z equal to 0, then z is equal to f of y plus ax. And if d minus a d dash minus b of z equal to 0, then z equal to e power bx into f of y plus ax. So there are 2 types. If there is d and d dash alone, okay, there is no third set, it is just d minus a d dash alone, you will get f of y plus ax. If there is d minus a d dash minus b, then you will get it as z is equal to e power bx into f of y plus ax. There is no such thing as minus a d dash in the question. Sometimes you will get d plus 4 d dash plus 5 equal to 0. On that cases, you will get a is equal to, you can put it as minus 4, okay, and b is minus 5. There is no such thing as the same minus symbols will be there. It is of the format d a d dash b. Okay, this minus plus symbols and all changes. According to that, you will change the complementary function values also. So first you have to read at the question, d square minus d dash square minus 2d plus 2d dash of z equal to e power 2x plus 3y. So particular integral, no issues, e power ax plus by. So instead of a substitute the values, instead of b substitute the values, and you will get the final answer, no issues. For complementary function, it is of both the order, second order is there, first order is there. So the complementary function f of d comma d dash of z should be equal to 0. So what I'm doing is f of d comma d dash. So first I'm just splitting into 2 terms, okay, d and d dash, so it'll be easier for me to solve it. Okay, so d square minus d dash square minus 2d plus 2d dash. What I'm doing is just I'm splitting it, okay, like d square minus d dash plus d dash minus d dash square. So this is the format, right? So minus 2d minus d dash. So what I'm doing is first 2 terms, a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. That is I'm doing here. For d square minus d dash square, it is of the format a minus b. So a plus b, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Minus 2 I'm taking commonly outside. From the third and fourth term, I'll get d minus d dash. Okay. Now I'm taking d minus d dash commonly outside. What I'll get? D plus d dash minus 2. So how is the format? D minus d dash, that is d minus a d dash. If it is d minus a d dash, then my complementary function will be f of y plus ax. The value of a is minus 1. Okay, sorry, the value of a is 1. Okay, so how I'll get the answer? Z is equal to f1 of y plus x, because the question itself have minus 1. So the value of a is 1. If it is d plus d dash, the value of a is minus 1. Keep that in mind. Okay, so f of y plus x. Next, d plus d dash minus 2. So it is of the format d a d dash minus b. So what is the value of a? Minus 1. What is the value of b? 2. Okay, so e power 2x into f of 2 y minus x. So this is your complementary function. Particular integral, substitute the values, then you will get the complete solution. Okay, the same here. So d square d dash minus 1. So what I'm doing is d square minus 1 minus, from d square minus 1, I am taking that term common. Okay, then from second and third term I am taking d dash commonly outside, minus d dash commonly outside, so I'll get d minus 1. So d square minus 1 can be written as d plus 1 into d minus 1. So if I'm taking d minus 1 commonly outside, I'll get d plus 1 minus d square. So d minus d dash plus 1. So this is of the format d minus 1 of z equal to 0. So which is e power, this is of the format d minus a d dash minus b equal to 0. If d dash is not there, the a value becomes 0. Okay, for b you will get minus 1. Minus 1 is there, so b's value is 1. So substitute here, a power bx into f of y plus ax, substitute here. Okay, now in the second one, d dash value is there, the value of a is 1, value of b is minus 1, so e power minus x into f2 of y plus x. So this is your complementary function, cos x plus 2y. If it is cos sign term, what you have to do, for d square d dash, for d square d dash and d double dash. So if you substitute the values, I will get the final answer. Okay, next, given some questions, just go through this and verify the answers that I have highlighted here.